companion of former Captain Luís Carlos Prestes, leader of the 1935 communist plot. Olga was arrested along with William Meyer on March 5, 1935.
That same day, she was taken to give testimony at the special police station's office.
During his testimony, he refused to give any information about the former captain. However, he claimed to be his wife.
Pregnant, Olga remained in the premises of public security. Later, she was transferred to the prison on Rua Flicaneca in the center of Rio de Janeiro.
Graciliano Ramos, in his book Memorias do Cássio, states that there was a certain buzz in prison that two prisoners, Olga Prestes and Elisa Berger, would be handed over to Hitler's political police. Still, according to the author of Vidas Secas, there was a movement of women in the prison and ended up adding to the noise produced by prisoners in nearby galleries against the supposed surrender. In September 1936, Olga and her partner were released from prison and deported to Germany. Olga stayed in Berlin until her daughter, Anita Leocadia Prestes, was born in November 1936.
At the end of the breastfeeding period, she was separated from her daughter, who ended up being rescued by her paternal grandmother, Dona Leocadia, in January 1938. Between 1938 and 1942, Olga would go through several prisons and concentration camps.
Her condition as a communist, a doctrine hated by Nazism, would be added to her condition as a Jew, for whom Hitler harbored feelings known to all of us.
His final fate was the same as that of millions of other Jews in the Holocaust. He died in a gas chamber.
His daughter returned to Brazil and years later received a PhD in history from the UF, becoming a professor at the Federal University of Rio de Janeiro, the FRJ.